Jai Swaminarayan. Myself, Mudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 6, Subject Maths. Yesterday we have started exercise 11.5, but in question 2, it is not clearly understand. Just a little bit internet problem is there. That's why I repeat question 2 once again. So let's start question second. Fine. Complete the entries in the third column of the table. Now, first of all, see what things is given here. See, first is the serial number, second equation, value of variables, equation satisfied yes or no. Now here equation is given. The value which have to put here in the variables is also given. If we put that value instead of variables, does it if satisfy equation? That means left hand side and right hand side is equal. If it is equal, then we can say it is satisfied, and then we have to write here yes. If it is not satisfied, then we have to write no. Get it? So let's start. First A, 10y is equal to 80. This is the equation given. Okay. Value of variables y is equal to 10. That means we have to put value of y 10. Get it? So 10 multiplied by 10. What we get here? 10 into 10, 100. So 100 and 80 are equal? No. So it is not satisfied. So equation is not satisfied. So we have to write here no. Next, 10y is equal to 80. Value of variable y is equal to 8. Now see, y is equal to 8. If we put the value of variable y is equal to 8, then we get 10 multiplied by 8 is equal to 80. So 80 is equal to 80. So it is satisfied. So it is yes. Then next, 10y is equal to 80. Y is equal to 5. So see here, 10 we have to put the value of y is equal to 5. So 10 5s are 50. So 50 and 80 are equal? No. So it is not satisfied. So say here no. 4l is equal to 20. So value of L is equal to 20. So if we put the value of L 20, sorry, so we get 20 multiplied by 4, it is 80. So 80 and 20 are equal? No. So the equation is not satisfied. Next, 4L is equal to 20, and here we have to put the value of L is equal to 80. So 80 multiplied by 4. What we will get here? 120. So 120 and 80 are equal? No. So we have to write here no. F, 4L is equal to 20, where L is equal to 5. So 4 into 5 is equal to 4 5s are 20. Right? So yes, it is satisfied. Now next, b plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay, and we have to put the value of b is equal to 5. So 5 plus 5 we get 10. 10 and 9 are equal? No. So it is no. Sorry. B plus 5 is equal to 9. We have to put the value of b is equal to 9. So 9 plus 5 we get 14. 14 equal to 9? No. Okay. Next, b plus 5 is equal to 9. So b is equal to 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 9 is equal to 9. So yes, it is satisfied. Next, h minus 8 is equal to 5. So h is equal to 13. So put the value of h as 13. 13 minus 8 we get 5. Yes, we get 5. So 5 is equal to 5. So yes, this equation is satisfied. Okay. Now next. Yes, h minus 8 is equal to 5, h is equal to 8. Now if we put the value of h is equal to 8, then we get 8 minus 8 is equal to 5. So 8 minus 8, 0. 0 and 5 are not equal, so it is no. Next, h minus 8 is equal to 5. H is equal to 0. So 0 minus 8, what we get? Minus 8. So minus 8 and 5 are equal? No. So it is no. P plus 3 is equal to 1. P is equal to 3. So 3 plus 3, what we get here? 6. 6 equal to 1? No. So it is not satisfied. Okay. Next, P plus 3 is equal to 1. P is equal to 1. So put the value of P as 1. So 1 plus 3, what we will get here? We get 4. So 4 and 1 are not equal. So we have to write here no. Next thing, P plus 3 is equal to 1. We have to put the value 0. So 0 plus 3, what we get here? 1. So 3 and 1 are equal? No. So it is no. P plus 3 is equal to 1. P is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus 3. What we get here? 2. 2 equal to 1. Is it equal? No. Next. P plus 3 is equal to 1. P is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 plus 3. What we get here? 1. So 3 minus 2. What we get here? 1. So yes. It is the satisfied equation. So it is yes. Understand everyone? It is so easy, but we have to understand what is the equation, how we have to solve it, right now? Okay, so let's move towards the third question. Just 1 second, huh? Pick out the solution from the value given in the bracket next to each equation. Show that the other values do not satisfy the equation. Same time, just like question 2, but in question 2 we have given only one value of variable. Here there are 3 or 4 values are there. We have to find the right one, and also we have to solve other also. So how? Let's see. 5m is equal to 60. So this is the given equation. 5m is equal to 60 is the given equation. And we have to put the value 10, 5, 12 and 15 one by one. Let's start. Okay. First of all, we see we have to put the value of m is equal to 10. So 5m is equal to 60. 5 multiplied by, now we have to take here 10. Okay, is equal to 60. 5 10 are 50. So 50 and 60 are equal? No. So let's move forward. That means we have to take next value, right? So what is the next value here? See, 5. So let's take 5. 5m is equal to 60. 5 multiplied by 5 we get 60. 5 into 5, 25. So 25 and 60 are equal? No. Fine. So let's take the next value. That is 12. 5m is equal to 60. Now we have to take the value of m as 12. So 5 into 12 is equal to 60. 5 12 are 60. See here, 60 60 equal. Left hand side and right hand side equal. So this is the solution of equation. So we have to take here, and also we have to take here also. Get it? That means it is the solution of our equation. Though we get solution, we have to put this value also. Okay? So let's take the value of m as 15 and solve the equation. 5m is equal to 60. So 5 multiplied by 15 is equal to 60. 5 into 15 we get 75. 75 and 60 are equal? No. So we have to just write here not equal to. Okay? Understand everyone how we have to solve? We have to just put the value of variables given in the bracket and solve the equation. When it is satisfied, and that means at which value we have satisfied the equation, you have to just tick it. Get it? चलो हम बी क्वेश्चन करेंगे. So h plus n plus 12 is equal to 20, and we have to take value 12, 8, 20 and 0.